Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add quote text in Gmail, a simple yet powerful way to highlight important parts of your message and make your email look more polished. Let's get started step by step. First, open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, navigate to the top left corner and click on the Compose button. This will open a new email window whereby you can begin drafting your message. Next, in the email draft, go ahead and type the quote or important message you want to highlight. This could be anything from a short inspirational line to a key point you want your readers to notice. Be sure to double check your wording. Quoting clearly adds professionalism to your email. Now, use your mouse to click and drag over the text you want to format as a quote. This highlights the specific part of that message and you are about to stylize. Take your time to get the exact section. Accuracy here helps your formatting looks clean. Once your text is selected, look towards the bottom bar of your email window where you'll see several formatting tools. Click on the formatting icon. It looks like an underlined letter A small t with a downward arrow. This will expand a menu with more formatting features. From the expanded formatting menu, look for the quote icon, usually represented by quotation marks or an indented speech bubble. Click on it and you'll instantly see your highlighted text shift into a block quote style. This gives it a subtle indentation and a visual cue that helps it stand out. Remember, you can also use the quote format to respond to specific parts of someone's previous message, making your replies clearer and more organized. And that's it, guys. You have just learned how to add quote text in Gmail. A quick trick that helps you communicate with style and clarity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.